Alright, today we're going to make a quick video how to install a new battery on a 2019 Kia Forte. Alright, I just made a video of how to remove the battery. Here's the new one. Let's go ahead and grab the battery and place it up here into its battery post. Might need both hands to secure this heat plate. Alright, and there it is. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove these battery terminal protectors. We're going to go ahead and put in the positive terminal. I'm going to go ahead and remove the negative side. We'll go ahead and put in the negative side. Let's go ahead and secure these down. The tool that you're going to be needing will be a 10mm socket. There it is, 10. Let's go ahead and secure starting the positive and then the negative. Then the other tool you're going to be needing will be a size 12mm with an extension. That way we could put in the battery clamp that goes right in there. Alright, there it is. Now we're going to go ahead and secure that screw that ties down the battery. There it is. Close this flap and you're done. And that is how you install a new battery on a 2019 Kia Forte. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.